Oh. It's recording. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for people not catching on what I was doing here. We're going to do it. Somebody suggested me doing it with a piston. We're going to lubricate it with some Lucas assembly lube. Let me get a wrist pin here. Wrist pin is here. Oh, do I have a cutout on this one? No, I do not. I can do two of them though. I'm gonna have to do this a two-step because I've already put a pin in this one. I'm gonna show you how to put a pin in this one because I don't have a cutout in this one yet. You're gonna grab your clip, get your screwdriver, try to prop this up where y'all can see it. Nope, it popped out. And y'all are lucky I got a cameraman here. Usually I'm by myself. Okay. We got it pushed down in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to straighten it up. Okay, and we're going to take the wrist pin and we're going to push it home. And I believe you all probably heard that. Now this one is in there forever. It's never coming out. You throw piston and wrist pin clip away at the same time. All right. I have a relief. This one's already got one in the back of it. I have a relief cut into this one. So we put this one in the same way as that one. Now we're going to put this one in. With this tool here. Okay. Okay, that one's in there. And I got the opening to the top away from the relief down here. And that's what we want. Now to take this out, you'll take your little tool here and we're gonna have to run this around. Well, actually, you want this the opening where the relief is on the clip. You want the clip from here to here, the opening right there. So I'm gonna move it back a little bit and I'm gonna take it out. Now it's over the relief right here that I cut in it. You get this up under it. And you pull your pin right out. That simple. So, and like I said, the one you put in the back like that stays in there forever. And you will never be able to take it out again anyhow. You can get them out, but you'll destroy it. And just like we did with the test with the relief on the other thing I made, and you gotta, excuse me, it's been in and out of this piston about 4 or 5 times. But that's it. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope you could see a little better what I was doing. And thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all have a good day.